Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, just wake up to this sunrise. The weather is really nice today. Yeah, blue sky with some clouds. Already there is one jet at the moment. Quiet, calm and peaceful. The sun was setting down when I slept last night. So yeah, really early, maybe 6 o'clock. And I actually wake up at around 12 o'clock. And when I look outside, yeah, it was a full moon and outside is very clear. I can see everything around here. I can see the trees. Yeah, very quiet. The skies, the stars. Yeah, really nice looking. And was not scary. I sleep early because I was a little bit scared of the environment, of the surroundings. I actually set up my Insta360 to capture the stars, but I don't really know if it works. And at 3 o'clock I wake up again and the same. Yeah, it's still bright around here. Yeah, and from 3 o'clock I try to sleep, but yeah, I did not able to really had a good sleep already. Yeah, because I had already complete my sleep. From 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock is already like 5 hours. Yeah, 6 hours. And my normal sleeping time is just 5-6 hours. When I sleep last night, my head was actually here and my feet over there. I just changed it to experience how it looks, how it feels to have my head over there and feet here. Yeah, and the good thing is that it was really comfortable. Yeah, not cold like the previous camping that I did. Yeah, that is because of this sleeping bag. Yeah, this sleeping bag is like a comforter. Amazing. I'm really happy with this. If you touch it, it's really thick. And do you know that this sleeping bag can be a blanket? Because if you open this zipper, it is going to be like a big blanket like this. Because the zipper is all the way through the other side. And I'm going to have this lamington as my breakfast. Lamington is kind of a cake with coconut. Tastes very sweet. I've seen and first tasted it here in Australia. Yeah, there's no a car behind me. I don't know where is he come from. I didn't see him a while ago. Just now. I stopped here because I give way to the other 4x4 that's behind me. And the driver is actually a lady. Yeah, two of them. Nice. And we are actually now here in the main road. And then next to this is the highway, the Pacific Highway. If I am not mistaken, the speed here is 90 kilometers per hour. But the road is not really good. We are now back here in the Nelson Bay Road. So we are near to my apartment. But I am not going home yet. I want to stay in front of the beach editing a video. Because inside the house is cold. Just like yesterday, I wake up. So I stay in the house. And it was very cold. My feet was cold because of the cold floor. But then when I get out of the house, yeah, it's the good temperature, not cold. And we are now here in Amplify, here in the petrol station. But yeah, I'm not going to do petrol. Instead, I'm going to do this car wash. It's good that this underbody car wash is open. Okay. I need to do the car wash because look at that. There's so much dirt underneath. Especially here. Also, I don't have any machine or any device for washing. That's why I need to do it here in the paid car wash.